You've probably heard this 1,000 times. Just go for a walk every day. And yes, walking is great. But what if I told you there's something even better for your legs, your heart, your balance, and even your brain? A simple movement you can do right in your living room. No gym, no equipment, no fancy shoes. It's called marching. And believe me, once you start doing it, you'll wonder why no one ever told you sooner. But here's the thing. If you skip this video or only try part of what I show, you could miss the full benefits. Or worse, make mistakes that could hurt your joints or balance. Half knowledge can be the most dangerous thing for seniors trying to stay active. So watch carefully and follow along till the end. Marching might look simple, but the results are far from it. It strengthens your hips and thighs like walking never could. It trains your balance, coordination, and focus, something even treadmills don't do. And best of all, it's gentle on your joints. So, if walking tires you out, if you feel unsteady or your knees ache after a few blocks, this exercise could be your secret weapon to feeling young again. Researchers from the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity found that seniors who practiced high knee marching in place 3 times a week showed measurable improvement in leg strength, balance, and gait stability after just 8 weeks. Another study from Geriatric Physical Therapy Journal compared walking and stationary marching. While both improved heart health, marching showed greater improvement in hip flexor and thigh muscle activation, which are key to preventing falls. Even NASA uses marching drills to help astronauts recover leg strength after space missions, because it's one of the most efficient ways to retrain balance and coordination without strain. So yes, marching isn't just a simple movement. It's a scientifically proven longevity exercise. Let me tell you a story. James was 74, a retired teacher from Ohio. For most of his life, he walked every morning. But one winter, he slipped on ice, hurt his knee, and lost confidence in walking outside. "I just didn't feel steady anymore," he said. He stopped walking for a few weeks, and then a few months. His legs started feeling weaker. Even standing up from his recliner became harder. His daughter, worried about him, asked a local physical therapist for advice. The therapist said something unexpected. "Have your dad try marching at home. It's safer, but just as powerful, maybe even better than walking." At first, James laughed. "You mean like a soldier? March in place?" But he gave it a try. Just 30 seconds at a time, slowly lifting one knee, then the other. Within 2 weeks, he noticed something amazing. He could stand longer without holding on to furniture. His legs felt alive again. After a month, he started marching for 5 minutes while watching TV. By 3 months, his balance had improved so much that he could walk to the park again, without fear. He said, "I thought walking was the only way to stay fit, but marching gave me back my legs and my confidence." Before we start learning the exercise, I'd love to know, from which country are you watching this video, and how old are you? Drop your answer in the comments. I love reading where our community of strong seniors comes from. How to do marching exercise. Step by step. Step 1. Find a safe spot. Stand behind a sturdy chair or near a wall for support. Keep enough space around you so you can move freely. Step 2. Posture check. Stand tall. Pull your shoulders back slightly. Look straight ahead and engage your tummy gently, like you're zipping up your core. Step 3. Start slowly. Lift your right knee up toward your waist, or as high as feels comfortable. Lower it back down gently. Then lift your left knee. That's one march. Step 4. Find your rhythm. March slowly at first, like a gentle beat. Inhale as one leg lifts. Exhale as it comes down. Keep your arms moving naturally at your sides, or hold a chair if you need balance. Step 5. Duration in progress. Beginners, start with 30 seconds of marching. Rest, then repeat twice. Intermediate, do 3 sets of 1 minute each, resting 30 seconds in between. Advanced, march continuously for 5 minutes. Take a break and repeat up to 3 times daily. You can do this exercise while watching TV, listening to music, or during commercials. It fits right into your daily routine. Bonus, seated marching. If standing is difficult, sit upright in a sturdy chair and march by lifting your knees alternately. Keep your back straight and avoid leaning back. This still works your hips, thighs, and core, and is especially great for people with balance issues. Start with 5 minutes daily, split into 2 to 3 short sessions. Gradually build up to 15 to 20 minutes total per day. Aim for 5 days a week for consistent results. Increase challenge by lifting knees higher, marching faster, or adding light arm movements. Form first, speed later. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up. It helps more seniors discover this life-changing exercise. Share it with a friend or family member who could use a little hope and movement. And don't forget to subscribe for more senior-friendly health tips, exercises, and inspiring stories. Let's keep marching, together. Your best years are not behind you. They're right here, one step at a time. Smart.